Hey guys, it is Brianne here, and sorry that I've been MIA. I've just had a lot going on here in LA. You know, we're under the safe at home quarantine, and things opened up, so I was back at work for about 4 weeks, about a month, before everything shut down again. And then we were still going in to set stuff up, and it was crazy. Then we got the call last week that we were going to get to go back to work, and turns out like everyone in California gets to open except for LA County. So I was out of work again, and it's just been a mess. So I'm filming this is Labor Day weekend. I'm going to put the video out today because I've been lagging and I want to get some type of video out for you guys. So it's just a quick room tour and an introduction to a new member of my family who you might start seeing in videos. And that's about it. I look like a hot mess. Look at this hair. It's ridiculous. This should tell you like what's going on in my life. My hair looks ridiculous. I look ridiculous. Anyways, I hope you like the video. I have more videos to come. I just have to edit them. And you will see my room tour. I didn't like make my room squeaky clean. It's not beautiful. It is basically just how it looked tonight when I decided to shoot the video. So yeah, enjoy. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little dingy bell so you can see videos, so you can see when I upload. Anyways, I hope you like it.
Okay guys, so tonight I was editing a video and I decided I wanted to take a break from that and introduce you to my newest friend, Tadashi. He is my cute little kitty. He's like posing and he's probably afraid of the flash. Yes, this is my new little bestie. Oh my god, he is being like so extra. He's never this like active. Anyways, hey Tadashi-imies. Anyways, I just wanted to do a super quick video just to say hello and to give you guys a quick update of my room. Actually, I have this brand new little cubby here, and up here is my record player, and my niece actually babysits when I go back to work, so this is just her little checklist of things she needs to get done. Of course, the clipboard is from DAISO. Up here is where I keep my fan. This is just some electronics. This is a little box with some of her gloves so she can clean out his litter box. In this basket here, I just keep his extra blanket, some pet wipes, catnip spray, and then all of his little toys. We put them away every night before bed, just so my room's not totally chaotic. And then we have his little food. This is a cute little measuring cup I got from DAISO. And then I have this little thing I made from him. It was just a little pencil holder that I bought from DAISO. So I painted it. And now it holds his little snacks. These are his favorite, so just kind of keep them in there. I got this water fountain from Amazon. So it came with this little mat here. This is a separate mat that I bought from DAISO, and down here is actually a placemat that I cut to fit the shelf from DAISO as well. So there's all that, and then this is just a little box that he has fun with. It's one of my old stitch books. Well, then kind of moving over to my desk area. This is what you guys usually see when I'm filming my videos. I do a lot of try-ons, so this is my backdrop. You can see my ring light over there. So I kind of just moved some things around. This is actually all Bench of America Girl stuff that I'm selling on OfferUp right now. My little collection of vodka, my crafting supplies. And my desk is a huge mess just because I've been really preoccupied getting Tadashi comfy in my home. So I got these really cool shelves from Michael's. This shelf was $9.99. It was on sale. And just a really cool place to start displaying some things that I have. This longer shelf was on sale. It was $12.99. So again, got these from Michael's. And I just wanted to put up some stuff that I've had either like kind of hidden on a shelf or buried in a box and get those out and about. Oh my gosh, Seinfeld. Like I said, my desk is a hot mess just because I haven't really had time to clean and organize. This is something that's really cool. I got this, it's actually a magnetic, so you can pull these apart, fit anything in here. I just picked up with a tap, it doesn't look that great, but it comes with 2 pieces, and this is just magnetic, and you can pretty much put anything in it, and it makes it look pretty legit, so I really like that. So this is just an update. Also, my little hat, it's more decorative now, I don't wear it too often. I also have, sorry, I'm trying to fix this, and everything's just up with tacks because I'm not sure if I really want to keep it, but I have my happy hour sign and my I need coffee. Come over here, this is just a little thing that I made. My niece had given to me this a few Christmases ago, and then to have my masks. Moving over here to my coffee graveyard. I just haven't thrown away coffee from the past few days. Anyways, it's so gross, I know. This is also a really cool coffee cup that I got on Etsy. So I'll put the Etsy shop below, but it just says Brianne. It's super duper cute. I love it. I use it all the time. This is a random candle I found. And this is all stuff that used to be on my nightstand. I kind of just moved it up onto my dresser, so you can see my dresser is over here. It used to be over here where the cubby is now, but sorry, I was watching another YouTuber who I just found in love. And then over here you can see my clothes, and I really streamlined my clothes. I don't have that many. In this basket you can see I keep all of my shoes in here and my shoe cleaning kit. This is the blanket I actually sleep with every night. I just fold it back up and throw it in that basket. Here is my little organization station. I don't know what else to call it. It's where I have all my like makeup, toiletries, extra stuff. My mirror, and then over here to the right, this is something I'm super proud of. I was on the hunt for this. It's a shoe holder that goes in the back of your door, but I'm keeping all of my hair supplies inside of it. So all my brushes, blow dryers, straighteners, you name it, it's all there, and it's so accessible and easy by my mirror, by my outlet. Yeah, just super duper easy, and I was so glad I found it. It was under $10 at Marshall's, and I just put it up there, and yeah, it's on the back of that door, and everything is out in the open. Nothing gets lost anymore. This little piece of furniture is where I keep Tadashi's litter box. I actually found the black box thingy at Goodwill. It was 50 cents on sale, so I painted it, added some hooks, and basically keep all of my cleaning supplies on top of it, and Tadashi's litter stuff. So a little sweeper, broom, and dustpan, teeny tiny trash can. So after we scoop and sift his litter, we use these little tiny trash bags that are usually used for dog waste, and then we throw them in a little tiny trash can until we are able to go take it out to the big trash can. I also found this little mat at Marshall's for under $10, so it keeps the litter off the floor. Up here, this is my shelf, so I really cleaned a lot of stuff off of the shelf. It used to have lots of junk on it, but now it has this jewelry box that used to be my mom's. I painted it, added some of her old pins and enamels, and now I'm using it for my own jewelry. I also have my 2 trinket trays from Typo where I keep the earrings that I wear most often and the necklaces I wear most often, so they're easy to access and find. This is my wig you've seen me wear in plenty of my videos, and I got this mannequin head at DAISO for about $5. Down here is where I keep my contacts, books that I'm hoping to read in the near future. JVN, I am so sorry, I have not read the book and I got it for Christmas. Golden Girls trivia, all of my glasses, and a glasses care kit, cleaning rag, hand sani, gotta have it. And then these are toys that I bought for my nieces. They don't have room for in their rooms, so we keep it in my room. Down here is my back massager, foot massager, all in this little basket. And this cat tower used to belong to our family cat. She doesn't use it anymore, but Tadashi absolutely loves it. He sleeps in it every night and sleeps under it. And this is a little basket that I used to keep my hair supplies in, but then I threw some blankets in there, and Tadashi was sleeping in that for his first few nights at my home. This is my bed. It's a hot mess because I was working
And usually these pillows are not so messy. They are just easy. I just put pillows. I fold up this super duper comfy, cozy weighted blanket. It is a 20-pound weighted blanket. All I do is fold that at the foot of my bed, throw those pillows back together, and bam, my bed is made for the day. It is so super easy. Like I said, I fold up that other blanket, and yeah. This is a new journal that I got. It is a morning and night reflection journal. My therapist recently said I should go back to journaling, so I found that at Home Goods. You've seen this before, probably. It's my daily planner. I need to get back in the swing of things. My iPad case, I just got this off Amazon, added a little sticker. I'm so proud of it. It's so cute. And this is where I used to have my nightstand. So you probably saw my nightstand in some other videos. I opted to get rid of it and try to make the first thing I see in the morning a lot calmer and neater. It doesn't look super neat. That is the little piece of furniture that I had before, so now I just keep my phone on it. I can keep my watch to charge. That power strip looks disgusting. I have to figure out something to do with that. And then I have my calendar. This is my dresser. A lot of the stuff on my old nightstand is now up there. Down here I just keep my niece's iPad, my glasses, which fell off the shelf, so probably not the best place for my glasses. And then just other random stuff. So I have lots of wipes, antibacterial wipes, facial wipes when I don't feel like taking off my makeup, just so I can't be lazy. Just a bunch of random stuff. I'm still kind of putting this area together. I'm not 100% sure if that's the final result that I want, but it's a work in progress. I also keep my TV remote up here. I just attach some Velcro to the dresser, Velcro to the remote because I was constantly losing it. It was driving me insane. Now it's up there. And my calendar. Okay, what else are we looking at? My bed. Sorry guys, I had to switch to voiceover because as I was recording, my voice wasn't coming out. But anyways, like I was saying there, I'm just trying to figure out what to do there. I might put some affirmations or some other stuff, but yeah. And then here is my laundry basket. I got this at DAISO for $5. I put it close to my bed just because I'm lazy. It's a cat toy. I keep it hanging there so Tadashi doesn't hurt himself while I'm gone. Back scratcher, of course. This is a little baby gate I got from Target for about $20 just to keep Tadashi in my room while he's little, before he goes out and explores the whole house. Then this is also a little small animal playpen, which is totally come in handy so we can take him outside. Over here, this is a shelf my brother built that I haven't put up yet. And all of my reusable bags, my shower towel, I know, and just other randomness that needs to be hanging. There is my family bulletin board, pics of my fam, and another shot of my room, more books. I think I've read like 2 of those. And yeah, here's just another quick view of my whole room. Like I said, I just kind of wanted to show you guys the other parts of my room that you don't see in my videos, because I usually film in the same little sections. There is little Tadashi again. He is the cutest. He loves that. I called it his trash ball, but he loves a little toy. Oh, actually down here under the dresser, I got these little plastic things off Amazon. That box is actually the box they came in, but he kept getting under the dresser and it was just really unsafe. So now I'm able to keep him out of little tight spaces that he might get trapped in. And here is just another little overview of my messy desk because you guys, this is how my life is. It's super messy, super chaotic. It's not as gorgeous and beautiful as I show on a lot of my videos. Again, that coffee graveyard, so gross. This is all the stuff that I used to keep on my nightstand, so now it's just up high. Kind of just kitty-proofed it, and I painted that thing gray. There's a pic of me from high school with my best friend. I just got in the habit of painting stuff, so I painted this little guy too. I bought this from Dollar Tree. You can still see paint on my finger from earlier actually, but don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. There's still a lot of pieces of my room that are just not finished. I got this little cup too. I was actually using it. You guys can see some of the stuff I've shown you in past videos in action. I actually do use these things. I filled it that much with Chick-fil-A iced tea and lemonade, and then the rest with vodka. My Stay Wild Moonchild poster or canvas. Oh my gosh, I live by this Dr. Teal's body lotion. It is the best when you want to get cozy and go to sleep. There's my diffuser. If you guys have any tips on things, oils that you can diffuse around cats, I love, love, love diffusing, but I read that it is really harmful to kitties and cats. Right now, all I have is lemongrass because I read that it's safe. I'm not even using it all the time. Please comment with other essential oils. These are coasters that my brother made me. So my brother made that shelf. He also made me these really cool coasters. And yeah, just another look at this messy room. This is how I live my life, you guys. This is what it's like all the time. There's my fave water bottle that I use all the time. It is so hot lately, guys. It is like ridiculous. What We Do in the Shadows. Okay, I'm obsessed. I've watched both seasons like 3 or 4 times now already. I bought that cool sticker off Etsy. The corn sticker is actually from Blank Tag Co. And my serotonin sticker is also from Etsy. I'll link all this stuff below, you guys. If there's anything else you want me to link or let you know where I got it from, yeah, let me know in the comments. What else? I think that's about it. Thanks for joining me for the room tour. Have a good one. See you later. Bye.